Have you ever questioned how a fresh banana is transformed into an irresistible, crunchy snack? Today, banana-based snacks have positioned themselves as healthy alternatives appreciated in numerous countries. The transformation of fresh bananas into thin, crispy slices is the result of a complex and meticulous industrial process. Each day, thousands of kilograms of this fruit are processed to satisfy growing demand in the international market. In this journey, we will explore how 5,000 kilograms of bananas become delicious chips, starting from one of the most modern and advanced processing facilities. The first phase of the process begins in the fields, where the bananas destined for this product are cultivated. Harvesting is carried out at the moment when the fruit has not yet reached optimal maturity for direct consumption, when the peel shows a green hue and the flesh remains firm. To avoid damaging the plant, special instruments are used that allow the bunches to be cut precisely, which is fundamental in a perennial crop such as banana. Once harvested, the bunches are placed in specially designed containers to avoid impacts or bruising that could compromise the quality of the fruit. Subsequently, workers carry these bunches on their shoulders to the loading area, where a line of hooks suspended by ropes is set up. With great care, they secure the bunches to these hooks to ensure a safe and efficient transfer to the next point of the process. The journey from the field to the processing plant is carried out by refrigerated trucks or protected cargo vehicles, with the aim of preserving freshness and preventing the fruit from beginning its natural ripening process. Logistics is essential at this stage, since any alteration in temperature or handling could affect the quality of the final product. Upon arrival at the industrial facility, the bananas undergo a rigorous quality control. Through conveyor belts equipped with specialized sensors, imperfections such as bruises, spots, fungi, or any other irregularity that could compromise the integrity of the fruit are detected. Operators, supported by computer vision systems, separate the specimens that do not meet the required standards and allocate them to other uses, such as animal feed or compost production. Only those bananas that meet the precise specifications in terms of size, firmness, and absence of damage move on to the next stage of the process. This meticulous selection system guarantees uniformity in the slices that will be obtained later, allowing the final product to present a consistent texture and flavor that satisfy consumer expectations. The next step consists of an intensive wash, carried out in tanks containing pressurized potable water. This action removes dirt, dust, and possible agrochemical residues that may have adhered to the surface of the banana. In some cases, an approved disinfectant solution is incorporated to reduce microbial load, which adds an additional layer of food safety. Once washing is complete, the removal of excess water takes place. To do this, the bananas pass over belts equipped with forced air or gentle drying rollers are used in order to prepare the fruit for the next phase without residual moisture, interfering in subsequent processes such as cutting or frying. Peeling is carried out by automatic peeling machines that, with millimetric precision, use blades and rollers to remove the skin without wasting the inner flesh. In the particular case of plantains, whose peel is especially thick and resistant, manual methods complemented by cutting tools adapted to the fruit's texture are employed. Once peeled, the bananas are transferred to high-speed automatic slicers. These machines, equipped with circular blades, generate slices of uniform thickness, generally between 2 and 4 millimeters, according to client or market specifications. The freshly cut slices are deposited on trays or conveyor belts, ready to undergo thermal treatment. Because banana flesh reacts to contact with oxygen by darkening rapidly, the slices are briefly immersed in a solution containing natural antioxidants, such as ascorbic acid, vitamin C, or in some cases treated with bisulfites approved by health regulations. This controlled immersion maintains the vibrant and attractive color of the slices without affecting their nutritional value. After the brief immersion in the antioxidant solution, the slices are carefully drained to remove excess liquid. Most banana chips are produced by frying. At this stage, the slices are introduced into preheated vegetable oil at temperatures between 170 and 180 degrees Celsius for a period ranging from 1 to 3 minutes, depending on thickness and banana type. The oil used is filtered and renewed periodically to guarantee purity and flavor of the product. Frying causes part of the water content to evaporate, resulting in a crispy, golden texture in each slice. Automatic systems and temperature sensors are used to maintain consistency in each batch, preventing burnt products or unpleasant flavors. As an alternative to frying, some plants opt for hot air baking, a technique that yields a chip with lower fat content. In this case, the slices are arranged on trays and exposed to temperatures between 110 and 140 degrees Celsius for longer periods, ensuring uniform drying and toasting while preserving the banana's natural flavor. Once the slices have undergone frying or baking, excess oil is removed. This is achieved through conveyor belts that facilitate natural drainage, or by using gentle centrifuges and air pressure systems that remove surface fat. This measure not only reduces caloric content, but also improves the final texture and extends the product's shelf life by preventing rancid flavors. Seasoning is carried out next. Typically, a fine layer of salt is applied by automatic sprayers as the slices move along the belts. Variants may include other condiments such as chili, garlic, onion, cinnamon, or even natural sweeteners, which are precisely dosed to enhance flavor without overshadowing the banana's fruity essence. Once seasoned, the chips undergo a gradual cooling process. This is carried out in controlled air tunnels, where the temperature is maintained between 20 and 25 degrees Celsius. Cooling is crucial for the slices to acquire the rigidity necessary to retain their crunchy texture, as well as to stabilize the internal structure of the product. During the cooling process, the relative humidity of the air in the chambers is precisely controlled, avoiding both excessive moisture absorption, which could soften the slices, and extreme dryness, which could make them brittle. This meticulous control ensures that the chips maintain the desired consistency over time. The final phase of the process is packaging, which is carried out in high-precision automated facilities. Depending on the destination market, the chips are packed in flexible bags with laminated materials that protect against light and humidity, or in rigid containers with modified atmospheres, usually enriched with nitrogen, to prolong freshness and shelf life. Multi-head scales ensure that each package contains the exact amount of product, and hermetic sealing prevents any alteration. Each package bears detailed printed information, including nutritional data, expiration date, lot number, and a traceability code, allowing for rapid product recall in case of any incident. This registration and control system is vital to guarantee food safety and consumer trust. This comprehensive description illustrates in detail each of the phases involved in converting fresh bananas into crispy chips, highlighting the rigor and precision required at every stage. From harvesting and transport through washing, sorting, peeling, cutting, antioxidant treatment, frying or baking, to the final packaging. The implementation of advanced technologies, combined with meticulous quality control, ensures that the final product not only meets expected nutritional and sensory standards, but also remains in optimal condition for distribution and consumption. Each phase of the process is designed to preserve the inherent properties of the banana, thus guaranteeing a healthy, tasty snack capable of satisfying a demanding audience constantly seeking quality food options. The integration of automated systems, precision sensors, and precise environmental controls reflects the industry's commitment to offering products that respect both food safety and the well-being of the final consumer. This meticulous orchestration of stages and controls is the key to transforming a natural fruit into a delightful mass consumption product, demonstrating the synergy between technology, tradition, and quality in the agro-food world.